Hi. Feel like some old-time religion? I sure do. Here's a gospel song that was first recorded 100 years ago. Since it's been adopted by Johnny Cash and Elvis and even Bob Marley and Peter, Paul and Mary. I just felt like singing it. Okie dokie. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Don't carry no one but the righteous and the holy. This train bound for glory. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train, oh, this train don't carry no gamblers. This train don't carry no gamblers, no crap shooters, no midnight ramblers. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train don't carry no jokers. This train don't carry no jokers. This train don't carry no jokers, no high-tone women, no cigar smokers. This train don't carry no jokers. This train is a free train. This train is a free train. This train is a free train. Everybody rides it in God's great name. This train is a free train. This train, once again, this train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Don't carry no one but the righteous and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train, not perfect, but heartfelt. Do you like the guitar?